Ollie's. Here we go. Good stuff. Sheep. Oh, this is some nice shadow pack. Magneto. What are you getting shadow pack? Kitty Pride. And more stuff. Ollie's. Let's see what comic books we can see. Just for you, Felix. Here are the comic books. Lots of comic books and trade paperbacks. And hopefully the song won't do anything to my YouTube video, so let's keep looking. Here's some Black Panther stuff. Let's keep looking here. Ooh, more, another Magneto here. I'm looking for the robe, if I can find her. The toilet. Ooh, I never seen that one. Big John Stud. See what else we can see here. Marshmallow. And this side. Basically, the same we saw a couple of weeks ago. So, let's keep looking. Here we are, keep looking. Here we have some more Marvel Legends and some Star Wars. The majority were Doctor Strange, so let's keep looking. Here we are seeing a few stuff for my daughter. She loves Little Pony, so I'm gonna get her that for Christmas. So it's about to get everything I see that's new here at Ollie, so let's keep looking. Now we're in Burlington and checking out the toys. Let's see what we see here. Not a lot that I know of. Ooh, Jurassic Park with a Velociraptor. Coco Melon. Ooh, a Godzilla. Pretty cool. How much is this? $7, not bad. Not a lot here. Oh, cool. Big Hero 6, Baymax. Nothing that interests me right now, so let's keep looking. Ooh, how much is this handmade by robot? $7, not bad. Hocus Pocus. Ooh, an NWO. I already have this one. The Hollywood Hogan. I just got this for Amanda for 15 and Ollie, so. Here's more of them. I see a Funko Pop. This is Iron Man art style, special edition. This is how much? $12.99. Alexander from Hamilton. Man, that's a big Michael Myers. A huge Michael Myers. And that is $20. Let me see. Oh, biggie. Ooh, I might get this Pikachu. It's cool. A lot of stuff here. Ooh, turtles. Ripped. Ooh, Raphael with Triceratops, $17.99. Not bad. Let's see what else we have here. The store has a lot of toys. basically it. Not bad. Ooh, nice roll. Let's keep looking. Ooh. Here we are at Ross, and this looks awesome. So does this one. Let's see what we have here. There we go. Let's see what else we see here. Oh, nice T-Rex there. Ooh, I'm getting this one. Leo. This is cool though. Yeah, Leo. My TNT, and here's Donnie. Yes, totally getting him too. Hopefully I can get Ralph too. Really nice. Happy I got the two Ross. Pretty cool. Pretty dope. Got two turtles. Nice. This is this mega construct. 20 and I like Charmander, but 20. Nope. Let's keep looking. Gotta love these. Don't patrol. Adorables. Oh, nice. Let's see over here. Someone else, huh? Damaged Dale, $7. See what else we can see here. Oh, Cena. Turn around here. Ooh, another construct. Nice. Nothing out of the ordinary right now. Man, I would love this. Look, Freddy Krueger. It's a lot of cool little ones. Plushies here. Ooh, T-Rex. And that's practically it. Marshall, what's a dumpster fire? Let's go home. Here's the Walmart car out. And score. Finally, they brought the Marvel mystery bag and Upper Deck with Marvel cards. Yep. Guess I'll be losing some money today. Let's keep looking. Here at the pop section. I just love this pop. YouTube, Thor, Max Match Reload. Let's keep looking. Look at these Hot Wheels. Professor X, Jean Grey, Professor X, Jean, Wolverine, Cyclops, and Magneto. These are pretty cool though. For $3 for a normal Hot Wheel? Gotta think about that. And here are we going out. And yes, the American Nightmare. I want this to open it. Ooh, no Hogan though. So, getting him. No Hogan, there's Kevin Owens. The rest of the top picks. Ricochet. Nope. Still looking for Jay also. So that's what we have here.
Welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Mr. Awesome himself, and today I went toy hunting again. I went to a few stores today, as you saw. I went to Walmart, Ollie's, Ross, Marshall's, Burlington, and Walmart, I guess. Thank you all for the support. Remember, we are gonna do a birthday bash on Monday, September 4th, 2023. I don't want you to miss that. That's Labor Day. We're gonna be live, opening up some stuff. And if you want to send me anything, my Amazon wish list is down below. So let's show off what we got today. At Walmart, in the clearance aisles, I found this Lego Ninjago for $5. Anytime I see a Lego that's less than $10, I am going to grab it. True story. So also I got as you saw, I got my WWE Series 101, the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes. Also, I found another Splinter from the TMNT line. This is for my nephew for Christmas. My mom and I were buying him every single one that's here. So hopefully we can do it before Christmas. And I also found at Walmart, I found this Marvel Comics 7 comic for $10. I will open this in my Wednesday video, so stay tuned for that one. And I also got this Upper Deck Marvel Beginnings box. It has, if I'm not mistaken, it has 9 packs. Not bad. 5 cards per pack, so that's gonna be cool, interesting. I'm gonna open these either in my shorts or in my live, so stay tuned to that one too. Then we went to Ollie's, and in Ollie's we found the Age of Apocalypse series. We got Marvel's Rogue. Also got Shadowcat, Kitty Pryde. And I got Magneto. Pretty cool. I really enjoy. It's one of my favorite sagas from the Marvel Comics, from the X-Men, the Age of Apocalypse. I really enjoyed it. They kind of did it in the X-Men 97 series, and hopefully one day they can do it in a live action. That's just me dreaming. Or a movie, an animated movie would be awesome too. And the last thing was found at Ross for $9.99. I got the Loyal Subject. Is it Loyal Subjects? I guess. Is it Loyal Subjects? I guess. I could be wrong. This is the BST AXN Turtles. This is from the arcade game. This is Leonardo or Leo. And also got the Donatello. Oh, these are GameStop exclusives. Oh, nice. Did not know that. Pretty cool. Again, for that price, yes, and didn't know they were GameStop exclusive. It had very little right there. So that's what I got today from my toy hunt. Tell me down below, what was your favorite thing I got? Tell me down below, where do you want to go? Where do you want me to go next? Probably next week I'll go somewhere far away, because next week I will be going to visit my grandmother. So, because you know that my grandma follows me. So thank you all for your support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now. We are on our road to 1K. When we get to 1K, there's gonna be a lot of giveaways. You do not want to miss that. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel, like all my videos, hit that notification button, and tell your mom, your uncle, your sister, and even your grandma, because my grandma follows me. And stay safe, be awesome, booyah! Wrestling has more than one arcade family.